Did you know that I made this website within 5 minutes? That too with zero coding skills. You need to only know what you are doing and how your website must look. When it's done, your website will also be ready within 5 minutes, and that too you can also host it with one click. All these things, creating your website and hosting it within 5 minutes with zero coding. Now let's start and learn how we can do this. So now we will see how we can make it. Open any browser and search for G Sites. Then click on the first link. Google Sites is a structured wiki and web page creation tool included as part of the free, web-based Google Docs editor suite offered by Google. G Sites, this is where we can make our websites with less time and without coding skills just by drag and drop and using templates we need. You can start from scratch and build a website from scratch just by drag and drop of things like image, links, text, block, and many more things. But I will select some templates. There are many templates. I will select an event template. Event is a template that is used to build websites for any event. So, let's get started. First, I will select the logo and favicon for my website. To do that you need to select on Settings button. And then, click on Brand Images, where you can select or upload your logo and icon. Then we will change the event name as TechMob at top left. We can also see that there are 4 pages here in this event template: Home, Schedule, Speakers, and Venue. Further, we will change the event name in the home page as TechMob and add the date when the event is being held. We also have other options to style text. And below there is also a button. We have options to change its link, text as well as styles. That is, we have 3 options to make buttons as filled, outlined, or text. Then I will change the venue. We also have 4 different styles for header, as you can see. You can select whichever you feel good. And I will add image to day 3 and explain the things of day 1, day 2, and day 3. Here in template they have selected 8 speakers, but we can delete if we have less speakers or add if we have more. Here I have only 4 speakers, so I will delete other 4 speakers. Now I will upload the images of speakers and edit the name of the speakers. Again, at below we will mention the details about the venue where the event is being held. We can also use Google Maps and select the location of our venue by searching it in search bar. So, people can easily get to know the directions to the venue. And in the end, we will edit the button and give its link to gmail.com. Now we will go to next subpage. That is Schedule. We can go just by clicking it on the top right where it is mentioned. Here we can change the date, timings, and event name, and can also add the events and delete them. But I will leave all as same. But you can change them as you need. I will add some other things. Here you have duplicate button, so you can duplicate the block and write what other things you need. And we can also align the text as we need. Then we will build our next subpage speakers. Here we again put the images of our speakers and then we'll add some intro or work that they have done. It's completely on your need, you can add what you want. Here I will be deleting some blocks which I don't need. There are again 8 speakers mentioned and built-in things in template. So, I delete all other speakers after the 4th speaker. Then we'll add the images of speakers and add some info about them by searching them in Google. Here we also change the styles of text and their alignment for some nice design. Then we will design our last subpage venue. Same as previous, here we will add the venue address and we can also add the images of venue and add Google Maps for better directions. And this is the end of building our page. This is how we create our web page within minutes without coding skills. Now we will click on Publish button to publish the web page. It asks for name, so you can give any name and Google site checks whether the name is available or not. If available, then you need to click on Publish and done, that's it. Now your web page is published. Check the published site by clicking on View Published Site. You can also share the link to your friends, so they can also see the website created by you. So, this is how you can create website and publish within few minutes with zero coding skills.